Good morning, 7th class students. I am your computer teacher, Mrs. Poonam Kumari. So, today we will start our lesson number 8, working with tables and queries. So, all of you open your books, page number 92, and see this lesson explanation. Yes, we will start from here. So, in this chapter, we will learn the terms editing table in Access, making changes in the datasheet view, moving through records, sorting data within a table, calculation in a table datasheet, filtering in a datasheet, advanced filtering in a datasheet, searching a datasheet, querying a database, setting a relationship between tables, creating a query and specifying simple and multiple criteria. So today we will see these four terms: editing tables, making changes, moving through records, and sorting data within a table. So in this video I will explain these four topics. Okay, so look at the book. In the previous chapter you learned about the basics of database. So before this chapter, in chapter 7 we will see how to make a database and what is database, like what is database, its types and structure. You will also introduce the various activities like how to create, how to save, how to close and open tables in database using one of the important components of Microsoft Office suite, Microsoft Access. So we can make this database by using the software Microsoft Access 2010. So in this chapter you will further learn about the other activities associated with a database. So let's see, if we already made table in Microsoft Access, then how we can do editing in that. Editing means how we can do changes in that. So editing tables in Access means Access 2010 allows you to edit the tables in both views, datasheet view and design view. So student, you know there are two views to see the datasheet. One is datasheet view, one is design view. Okay, so let's see it practically. Like I open the Microsoft Access and already I have one table in this. So this is your view tab. In your view tab there are two views, one is datasheet view, one is design view. So if you want to edit data in the datasheet view, how you can see, like this is your datasheet view. You can select that, open the datasheet view. This is already open. Right click on the drop down arrow, which field you want to insert. If you want to insert more field or adding a field in a datasheet, so these are the field, you know, roll number, name, class, address, city. So these are the field. If you want to add more field, then how you can add? For that, select the field where you want to click and then click on insert field option. Right click on the field and insert field. So there is one more field can be inserted. Similarly, see the next, adding a field in design view. How we can add in a design view? For that, so this was the steps of adding in the datasheet view. Right click and select insert field option. This already I have selected. Now we will see how adding a field in design view. In design view, open the table in design view, place the cursor on the field above which you intend to add a new field. Select the insert rows option in the tools group on the design tab. A new blank row is inserted above the selected field. Define the name and data type of the new field. So let's see it's practically. So here we will see in the view, datasheet view, design view. Click on the design view. In design view you have to right click on the field and select insert field option, or you can go in this here design tab. You can see here insert rows option is there. So one more field can be inserted here. Okay, so this is, in this way we can insert one more field in the design view. Now your next topic is, students, now we'll go again in datasheet view. Your next topic is deleting a field from the datasheet view. Deleting a field from the datasheet view. So let's see here. Deleting a field. How we can delete? To delete a field, follow the steps given below. Select the field by clicking on its header, field header, and press the delete key, or right click on the field and select the delete field option from the context menu. Access prompts a message to confirm deletion. Click yes to confirm the deletion and no to cancel the deletion. Or you can delete it in design view also. For design view you have to open the table, select the row containing the field that you want to delete and click on the delete rows button on the design tab in the tools group. So let's see it practically. Like this is your table in Microsoft Access. Now you want to like delete this one field, then select the field and right click and select delete field option. This is for from the design view. Okay, datasheet view. If you want to delete from the design view, go in the design view. There also you can delete the field, like select the field and right click, or you can delete from here also, from the tools tab, or you can delete from here also. In this way, that from the this one view, design view also, you can delete the field. So students, these are the fields. So again go in datasheet view. Now next, see moving changes in the datasheet view. If you want to move any field, so if you want to move any field, what are the steps to move any field? Let's see it. Moving a field. If you want to move, open the table in the datasheet view, select the field that you want to move by clicking on its field header, drag it horizontally and drop it at the desired location. While dragging, you will find a dark line appearing between the fields. This indicates the position where the field will be placed. So let's see practically also how to move a field. So like students, this is your field. We will select the, open the datasheet view, we have open already. So we will select the field which you want to move. So okay, we have to select the field like this. If you want to move, you have to, this symbol will come. Now this field has been selected. So while dragging, now you will drag the, by pressing the key, and you can drag it to its location to another side, like this way. This one border will come. So this roll number came here, name came here, or again you can see which field you select and you want to move that field, that can be moved like this way. You have to select the key, and while dragging you can see one dark line appear. So you have to this dark line appear. Now you can move it anywhere. So this dark line should come, then it will be moved, otherwise it will not move. Like this way roll number again come there. Okay, so this dark line when come, you can move it anywhere. So in this way the field can be moved from one place to another. So you have to select the, then this dark border come, then you can move it anywhere. So it should be selected properly, otherwise it will not move. Okay, now next is your freezing of field. So student, what is freezing of field? Freezing means a field in MS Access refers to making the selected field column appear at the leftmost side in a table and makes it visible all the times irrespective of the direction you scroll. Means you want that one field should be fixed in one place, on the first place, and it should not be moved. For that one, you have to open the table in the datasheet view, and in the datasheet view, right click on the column heading on the field that you want to freeze and select the freeze fields option. So let's see it practically. Freeze fields. For like this one field I want to freeze, then I will select the field and right click on here. Then there is one freeze fields option. So freeze field option will make the whole, this field will be on the fixed on the first. Now you cannot move this one field anywhere because it is freezed. If you want to again it's unfreeze, for that you have to right click and then select unfreeze all fields, then it can be now move anywhere. Okay, so if you want to move it again, then you have to select it and then you can move. Otherwise if it is a freeze, it cannot be move anywhere. So this is your freezing option, and then you can move it easily. Wait, yes, now you can move. If it is freezed, then it cannot be moved. Okay, so you have to unfreeze or freeze by right clicking. Now hiding a field. If students, if you want to hide a field, any field, then select the field and right click and select the hide field option. So this way that field will be hide, वो field अंदर को छुप जाएगी. If you want to see that field again, right click, then click on unhide fields, then select the field which you want to see again, then click on close button, then that field will come again. Okay, next is your moving through records. So student, how you can move through the records? So like this is your record button at the bottom. like this is your first record, and if you want to move on the next record, then you have to click on the, so this is your first record button, this is your second record, next record button, or previous record button this is, and this is your next record button number 3 पे है जो, number 4 this is for last record, okay, and this is for new blank record. If you want to make new record, it will come here. So this is for first record, this is for previous record, previous अभी है नहीं यहाँ पे, तो this is for next record, this is for last record, and this is for new record. Sorting data. So students, you can sort data in a table. So what it means, sorting means arranging data either in ascending or descending order. So the records in a table are not stored in any particular order. When they are entered into the table, we can sort data within the table based on the values of a particular field. So to sort the data, select the field which you want to sort, like this names you want to sort, then right click and then click on sort A to Z. So it will come alphabetically accordingly. So if these are the numbers, you can right click sort from, then the numbers also can be sorted in this way. Okay students, so up to here do it practically. Have a nice day. Thank you.